Greens one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy cast iron Wednesday. Even though it's actually Saturday. But I'm making two things today for meatless March. I'm doing a cheese quesadilla. And I'm also doing a Pizzadilla, which I've never made before. Actually, someone sent me a link, but I forgot who it was because I'm forgetful. It was like a week ago now. But I got some mushrooms going. Kind of poorly timed it, but I'm basically prepping both things at the same time. So let's get the, I'll turn the pan on now for the quesadilla. The cheese quesadilla, and I'll show you, I'll go from there. Alright, so what I got is I got some butter with garlic that's melting. And then I've got some mushrooms with garlic going, which are probably almost done. And the idea is I'll use the butter and spread it onto the tortilla shell prior to throwing it in the pan. So I'm going to do a 3 cheese. I got some smoked Gouda here, which I'm going to grate. As soon as I can figure out how to open it. Work on that off camera. Alright. So I'm just going to butter my shell. Melted garlic butter. Was hungry for garlic today, so alright. A little bit of cheddar cheese. And a little bit of smoked Gouda. I also got some mozzarella cheese. Which doesn't seem to want to tear open. There it is. I actually should have probably bought mozzarella cheese that was then grated it, would have been better. And then we got to dig out my lid. I haven't had this out in a long time. There we go. Trap in the heat so it melts the top of the cheese. Probably should have wiped all the dust off first. So I had to get the, can I zoom the camera in? Come on. The bottom is getting a little dark. So we'll go ahead and kill the heat on this pan for the moment. Cut that in half. And then I need a plate. It's only first part of it, by the way. I'm going to do the other one here in a little bit. I just killed the heat. Put a little bit of salsa on one of these. Like that. And Donna from Dream Creations and Adventures was very kind and sent me 2 bottles of Texas Pete hot sauce. So thank you, sister. Very much appreciate that. Get a little Texas Pete on there. Alright. Quesadilla. Pretty simple. A little appetizer. I'm gonna go eat this. Come back. Alrighty. I'll tell you what. That cheese quesadilla was quite delicious. Let's get to the Pizzadilla now. What I have here is plant-based pepperoni deli slices, Italian style. Not cheap either. Excuse me. So, is there a... Can't tell if there's a tear pouch or where to tear it. So, guess I'll just cut it. Never had meatless pepperoni before. Smells interesting. Let's get a few of these out. Guess I'll go, well, I'll go one more. Get you down. Alright, so here's that pepperoni. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into quarters. Go ahead and turn my stove back on. Get my next quesadilla shell. Or excuse me, tortilla shell. And then I'll just brush it with garlic butter like I did the last one. Get that on there. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to go with mozzarella cheese. Oh no, not first. I got to go with the sauce. So I get, you might remember the ragu for one. Put that on there. Got the spoon I used to for the salsa. Won't hurt anything. And I just had it. Here it is. I got some oregano. I don't think that came through, but you know, what are you gonna do? A little bit of oregano, and then we're gonna cheese it. It's almost kind of like a pizza. And we'll put the pepperoni on there. I cut the pepperoni. In fact, I might have too much now. I cut the pepperoni because I knew if I'd taken a bite, it would have come out on me. Yeah, I guess I got way too much pepperoni, but you know, whatever. And I got a little bit of mushroom here. There we go. And just add a little extra. Got some grated Parmesan cheese. Get that in there too. Just because I like black pepper. Throw some of that on there. Almost should have just made a tortilla pizza. That's pretty much what I've got. So I'll bring it back as it gets closer. Guess I had to heat up a little too high. That was. There we go. Pizzadilla. Oh, you know what? The garlic was burning on this thing. I didn't think of that. Well, whatever. Oh, there's one Pizzadilla. Kind of made a mess, but what are you gonna do? Alright, let's taste it. Alrighty. I didn't even think about the garlic burning in the pan, so that was my oversight. But, you know, what are you gonna do? I flicked them off, so it's not like it's a big problem. Alright, let's give this guy a taste. Not really getting a lot of the pepperoni taste. It's almost like the sauce is drowning it out. It doesn't taste bad though. Oh. Probably gonna be in dinner tomorrow too. Alright, well, I'm gonna sit down and eat. And I'll come back when I'm done. Well, alrighty. Well, clean plate. Believe it or not, I kind of actually enjoyed it. You know, it's just simple, nothing too complicated. The end. This should be the last video of the month for Meatless March. And then next month we're going into pasta, and I've already got an idea for pasta dish. So. Sweet. So I'm going to clean up my mess and go back to watching YouTube. So have a great day. Happy hump day. I hope you're having a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.